happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, I hope you understood very well the introduction part of your new chapter, that is PowerPoint 2016. Okay, today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. So you all are ready? Yes? Dear children, today we will learn how to create a new presentation. First of all, a presentation is made up of series of slides. मतलब ये एक बहुत सारी स्लाइड से बनी हुई है. Okay? A single page of the presentation is called a slide. एक single page को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Slide. When you first start PowerPoint, the program automatically starts a new presentation for you and calls it presentation 1. जब भी हम PowerPoint स्टार्ट करते हैं, the program will automatically start a new presentation and that presentation will be named as presentation 1. Clear? The shortcut key is CTRL plus N, that is Control plus N. Now, second, using templates. Now, what are templates? A template is a pre-designed presentation you can use to create a new slideshow quickly. Now, dear children, when we are creating a presentation, there are different pre-designed templates which are very useful to us, okay, to create a beautiful presentation and to create a slideshow. ये पहले से ही हमारे computers में installed होते हैं. Next, templates often include custom formatting and designs, so they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. Now, they include all the custom formatting and designs. Okay, they already include, so they save a lot of time when we are starting a new project. Now, the next one is inserting a new slide. A presentation can have many slides. मतलब एक presentation में बहुत सारी slides हो सकती है. Now, I will show you how to create a new presentation using templates and how to insert a new slide. Okay, we will click on the File tab. We will click on New. Then, here you can see a blank presentation. Here you can see the templates as well. See recent templates and the sample templates. Okay, these are some templates which we can use. See, these are the pre-designed templates. Okay, now they have all the custom formatting and designs. इसमें already आप देख सकते हो. Okay, there are some of the designs included in it. Okay, understood? So these all are known as templates. Clear? Now, how to create a blank presentation? Okay, we will click on blank presentation, then here we will click on create. Understood? See here, it is named as presentation 1. Okay, by default it is named as presentation 1. Then here you can see new slide option. Yes, from here you can insert a new slide. The first slide is named as title slide. You have to remember the names of it. Okay, title slide, title and content means हम इसमें title डालते हैं अपना first and then we also put our content. Then section header, only the heading section. Then to content means जब हमको दो content दिखाने आमने सामने like okay in front of each other. Then comparison, like when we want to compare the two things like in difference or comparisons, we use this slide. And this is used only for the title. When we want only the heading part, that is a chapter number 5 or chapter number 6, when we want like that, we use this slide. This is a blank. Content with caption. Yes, we can include enter the content with caption also, and the picture with caption. Yes, we can include the picture also here. Understood it very well? How to create a blank presentation? Yes, see, if I am clicking on it, yes, click to add the title and click to add the text. Here I will add the title and then here I will add the text. Understood it very well? Now, moving on to our next slide, what we are having. Now, dear children, in presentation you can also insert pictures. Okay, you can add pictures to your presentation to make it more interesting. ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए वी कैन ऐड पिक्चर्स. You can insert pictures from the file on your computer as well as the pictures from the internet. Dear children, in the same way you are doing it in the Word, Excel, in the same way in PowerPoint also we can insert pictures. That is, we can insert pictures from computers as well as we can insert pictures from online. That is our browser, Google or any browser you can, from any browser you can insert. Okay. Then next we are having saving a presentation. The shortcut key is Ctrl+S. Now, a PowerPoint presentation is saved with the extension .pptx. It is saved with the extension .pptx. You have to remember the extension. Okay, किस extension से वो saved होती है, you have to remember it. Okay. Now we will see. Okay, here we are having presentation 1. Okay, in which we are currently working. Now from here I inserted a new slide. If you want to insert me a new slide again, here to content slide. Then dear children, see, this is your, for suppose I am writing PowerPoint, that is your chapter. Okay, then here I can include like text like a presentation is series of slides. That is a definition which we studied now. Understood? In this way you can create a slide and then you can edit the text, you can add the text. Okay. Now see, for suppose how to add the pictures. Okay. You will go on the insert tab. Here you are having the picture option. Okay. Here you will click. Now see, these are the pictures which are there in my computer, okay, which are there in my laptop. Now you can also insert the online pictures. If you are having a connection, internet connection, you can insert, like for suppose if I am inserting a picture of Bacchus. Okay, see here the picture is been inserted. Yes, I can increase the size, I can decrease the size, anything I can do like this. Is it clear to you, dear children? Understood? Yes. Here I can write like for suppose title computer. Okay. Yes. Understood? Standard 4th. This is my title slide. Okay. Computer standard 4. Then PowerPoint. Then the definition. Okay, a presentation is a series of slides. Then in the next presentation you can, in the next slides you can add pictures, you can add more things like that. Understood it very well, dear children? Are you having any doubt in it? No? Shall I move forward? Now, what is a slideshow? Now, PowerPoint gives you the option of presenting a series of slides in what is called a slideshow. In a slideshow, all the slides in your presentation are displayed one by one. Okay, slideshow का क्या है? Like that series of slides will be presented on our screen. Okay, one by one a series of the slides. मतलब जितने भी slides हमने बनाई है, they will be presented one by one. A slideshow can be very useful tool for teaching, sharing and learning. Now dear children, as you all know, I am also using the PowerPoint presentation here, okay, to teach you. So it is a very useful tool for teaching, sharing and learning. I have inserted the pictures as well. I am using the templates as well. See, this is a type of a template which I have used. Yes, understood? So it is a very useful tool. Okay, so you must learn. It is a very attractive thing and you can do many things in PowerPoint presentation. Now, how to start the slideshow? Okay, for suppose you are on the home tab. Okay, this is your home tab. Now, how to start the slideshow? In the slideshow option you will go. Then you want the slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. See, for suppose I am choosing from the current slide. Then with just one single click I can move a series of slides. See, slides are being changing. Okay, different slides are presented. They are presented in slide show. कैसे present हो रहे हैं वो? Slide show में. Understood? See, as I am clicking, only one click is required. The slide is being changed. Yes? Understood very well? Yes, dear children, are you having any doubt? Dear children, in the same way as we are doing in Word, in the same way we can now open, save. If we want to open a new file, okay, a new presentation, see, in this way we can open, you can save the presentation with your name or with the chapter name, okay, with any name you can save it, and then here you can open the presentations. From here you can open different presentations. Understood it very well? Yes, dear children, are you having any doubt? No? So moving on to our next part. Okay, understood? What is the part 2 of the chapter? Create a new presentation. What is a slide? Then inserting new slides, inserting pictures from your laptop or else from your online pictures. Yes, dear children, using templates. Okay. Now, dear children, next we are having a small worksheet which is there in your textbook. Okay. On page number 79. Okay, there is a small worksheet on page number 79. Here in the first question you have to identify and write the name of the following layout. अभी मैम ने आपको दिखाए थे. Okay. Now you have to watch the video very carefully. Again and again you will watch the video and you will find out the names of the following layouts. Okay. Okay. Understood? आप एक एक का name videos में देखोगे, you will learn them and then you will write it here. Now dear children, the next question is complete the steps below to create a new presentation. How to create a new presentation? Now you can refer the textbook for this question, or else now the first step is click the dash tab. Now when we are creating a new presentation, where ma'am clicked, I clicked on the file tab. Okay, I clicked on the file tab. Then to create a new presentation, click the new option, that is your second step. Click the new option. Then select blank presentation. Yes, your step number 3, select blank presentation. Step number 4, click on create. आपको याद आएगा जब जैसे जैसे आप वीडियो देखते जाओगे, you will remember it and you will write it on your own. I know you can do it very well. Okay, click on create. Then the fifth step, a new presentation with a blank screen, with a blank slide on the screen will appear. A new presentation will appear. Understood? Understood the steps how to create a new presentation? You have to just write one word in all the 5 steps. Next question. Give one word for the following. The bar displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. At the top, सबसे ऊपर कौन सा bar होता है? That is the title bar. Yes? Next, the toolbar that is present on the title bar, that is quick access toolbar. So your second answer will be quick access toolbar. Okay. The third, C1. The area used to add the speaker's notes, that is notes. It is named as notes. So your answer will be notes. Then the default view in PowerPoint is, the default view मैम ने आपको first part में बताया था, that is normal view. Understood? The default view is normal view. Last, a pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and design. Now this we have studied now only. कौन सा ऐसा था जिसमें already custom formatting थी and already designs थी, and that was pre-designed in our computer, in our laptop? That was, the answer is yes, very good. It is templates. Okay, so here in the last one you will write templates because they are pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and designs. Understood it very well, dear children? I hope you are very much clear with this chapter. If you are having any doubts in any part of the chapter, you can call me during the school hours. Okay, and as soon as you finish the worksheet, send me the photo shot of it. Okay, Bye dear children. God bless you all.